All right, everybody, we are live. All right, so today, what I'm going to be talking about is the best Shopify apps for 2022 that you can use to grow your store, to grow your sales, and to help you in this crazy e-commerce environment. So I'm Preston from TX Digital Marketing. We're a boutique digital marketing firm based in Dallas. What I'm going to show you in this video are the apps. We're going to jump over to the computer. Let's get into it here. Okay, so here we are inside of a Shopify store. It's called smokingjackets.com. This is my store that I run where I sell smoking jackets and robes. It helps me keep up with everything that's going on. So I like to eat my own dog food. I like to have my own store here so I can sell products online and keep up with everything. So here's the latest apps that I really like that anybody can use, that are not super expensive, that are cost effective, and I'll kind of run through them here. So this is the apps panel inside of Shopify. And the first app that I'm a big fan of is called Aftership. Now, what this app does is it integrates with your shipping carrier and actually can send out emails based on the status of your order. So one of the big problems in e-commerce is people are always like, where's my order at? Has it been shipped? Is it in transit? Has it entered my country if it's an international order? And this app is super slick, because what it helps you do is it helps you integrate that and then automatically email the customer. Your order's been shipped, it's in transit, it's going to be delivered today, it's at your front porch. So they know exactly what's happening. More communication is better when it comes to Shopify. So, and e-commerce in general, and especially when you start scaling your store, you're going to need something like this. So that way you're not sitting there responding to a bunch of messages all day. Where's my order? Where's my order? Hey, let me go grab the tracking. It's going to waste a lot of time. One of my favorite apps. AMP is really interesting. I've been playing around with this. This is for mobile pages, and what it does is it helps you create a mobile version of your website that's friendly for Google, that actually puts you at the very top of Google for mobile results. So I've been playing around with this. Haven't had a ton of traffic directly from this, because you can create a separate Google Analytics container and check on that. But really interesting. I'm still playing around with it. At this point, I'm not sure that it's going to be the next big thing, but it is something just to keep an eye on. This app right here is really more of a page builder and theme. This is what I'm using on this site to keep it fast. Page speed is super important. It's definitely something you're going to want to watch in 2022. And Shopify is not necessarily the best at that on some of their themes. So you just got to be careful you don't have a bunch of bloat and issues with your theme. Exchange Marketplace is an app by Shopify where you can sell your store. I was just playing around with it to see, how it worked and just kind of get a valuation on my store to see what it was worth. Turns out it's worth more than I thought. It's worth about $10,000, but I don't want to sell it, so it doesn't matter. All right. Facebook, you're definitely going to want to integrate Facebook. They've actually changed it to a sales channel now. So you have to go in here and connect the business pages and the Facebook business accounts for ads inside of this for Facebook and Instagram. This helps you do a little bit more than you could if you didn't, where you can tag products. You can have a shoppable link and things like that. Frequently Bought Together is a cool app. I'll show you exactly what that does. It's pretty simple. So on this product detail page right here, this right here is the Frequently Bought Together app. Now, for me, if you saw my other video that I'll link down below about the Trueprofit app, the issue that I have is people normally just buy one smoking jacket and don't come back and buy another one. So I'm trying to fix that. But with this plugin, it injects this code, and you'll have to go into your theme files to put it there. And if you need help with that, I'm happy to help you. Just contact me. But you put this in, and it shows what people buy together as they purchase. So really cool app. They can even change their sizes. If you have variants on your products, they can change it there. So that's a great app. Judge.me product reviews. This one is very important because there's so many different product review apps out there. And in my opinion, after looking at them all, Judge.me is one of the better options because it's very cost effective. It doesn't try to be everything to everyone. A lot of these apps now are trying to be, the review platform and reputation management and an email platform and trying to do all these different things. This one sticks to what it's good at. It does have some more added functionality. It doesn't charge you an arm and a leg. I'm a huge fan. So I definitely like that for product reviews. And yeah, it's showing up down here. I'll show you this product. You can see the review widget. Here's what it looks like. You can pull in images, and then you have this block right here. People can write reviews. You can also send them reviews automated that comes in. And what's important about this is the review schema pipes over to Google, so that's something you're definitely going to want to watch. So what do I mean by that? Well, here's what I mean. I'm telling Google I want to search only smokingjackets.com pages. And you can see here, maybe I have it blocked. No, there we go. So this product right here, the review schema is piping over into Google and telling it, I have one review at a 5-star rating. This is super important for rankability in Google, and especially when you're talking about reviews these days. So it's important. Next app, Klaviyo. Can't live without this app. This is one of the best apps for email marketing, and not so much SMS. I'm exploring some other options on that, like Postscript. You see down here. Klaviyo is great because it makes it super simple for you to build email campaigns for your brand that you can do, simple things like allow people to subscribe to your website where you then have their email. You can do abandoned cart campaigns. You can do drip campaigns, pre-purchase, post-purchase. There's so many things you can do, and you can tailor these emails. They have tokenization. You can dynamically personalize them. It's a great app for you to build an email program on. Their SMS feature has been getting a lot of slack because it doesn't do a lot of the things that some of the competition does. So it needs a little bit of work there. The other apps that I really love here, I had to get a couple of these, Order Print Pro and Order Templates, to customize the invoicing software. Wouldn't say those are my favorite, but those are interesting. Postpilot is a new app that everybody's talking about because it allows you to do postcards to your customers or potential customers if you have their address. So I'm talking about sending a physical postcard. Right now, ad costs are super high across Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and Google, and even Amazon. So people are going back to the old ways, which is let's mail them a physical postcard with an offer about a specific product or product sets, and really drive that home. So you already know people have purchased, they're interested. I'm going to be playing around with Postpilot to send out some postcards to previous customers to see if I can get them to buy another smoking jacket. Postscript SMS marketing. I don't know that this one's the best. It's a cool SMS marketing tool. It's funny. Some stores make a lot of money on email. Some stores will make a lot of money on SMS. I think there's a good balance, but this is a great app for you to get started with SMS marketing. It doesn't break the bank. There are some higher tiered options like Attentive and others where they fully manage it for you, and they can be a little bit better. I've been playing around with this Pushalert, push notifications. You saw that earlier when I was screen sharing. It pops up, and then if somebody accepts the push notification, you can then push a browser notification to them and say whatever you want in there. You can customize what it says. Shop our new collection with the link, and it'll drive them directly there. Rebuy, I've got that on all of the product detail pages down below. Customers who bought this also bought these items. It scans the Shopify database and pulls in all those products. That's done okay, not as well as I had thought on some of those things. On some of the recommendations, people didn't purchase as much as I thought they would. Taxjar, great tax app that helps you figure out all of the taxes by nexus, the sales tax, should you be charging, do you need to be charging, and helping you collect and remit all that information. Because it is tricky now in e-commerce trying to figure out, where you're based, what you need to charge, what you don't need to charge. I'm here in Texas, so we do have sales tax, and you have to charge that, but it gets really complicated when you start going to other states, and then even internationally with the VAT and shipping. So it can be a little confusing. But those are my favorite Shopify apps. If I missed something, hey, please leave a comment down below. But that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Hey, if you have any questions, book a meeting with me down below, TX Digital Marketing. I look forward to speaking with you and talking more about your Shopify store and helping you scale and grow. So thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.